Hello, this is Onkyo Integra stereo cassette tape deck model TA-2700, very famous, 3 motor silent mechanism and high quality head system. But this one has a problem. I'll show you what it does. It reverse, it forwards, but it doesn't play. And also the display is not working also. You see, it forwards, it stops, doesn't play. So we have to open it up to see what's the problem. Well, play was not working because you see the belt is totally melted. It's also stuck on the motor, and I can show you. I hope you can see it. These are 2 dry wheels. This and this motor has to run them, so it's totally kaput. So I have to order the belts, and then we're gonna replace it. Replacement of the belt will be easy peasy. You have a few screws you need to take care of. First off, untie the tie ropes, and then you have let me see, yeah, you have 1 screw here, and I think 1 screw here, and I saw in the schematic diagram 1 screw there. They will release the motor, so this latch will be out. Then you put the motor, the belt on the dry wheels, and you put the motor back, and then just put on the tweezer on the motor. I'll try to do on camera so you can see, but it's a little bit difficult also. Let's see. So we cut the tie ropes because they will give easy access, and later on we can tie them back. And this one also. Then we remove this screw. I think it's difficult. Yeah. Main belt I have changed it. You can see it's over there. So in order to change it, it's very easy. You have to remove this screw, this 2. If you have a schematic diagram, it's mentioning. And you have 1 screw there, and 1 screw there, you see over there. And then this plate will come out with the motor on it, and those 2 driver wheels will be there. So you just put belt on the driver wheels, then you put back this motor plate back, and afterwards with the tweezer you just pull the belt from this driver belt and put on the pulley of motor. I'll show you there on the pulley of the motor, and that's it. And afterwards you do the cable management again, put the tie ropes, because you have to open this to have a space to take the motor out. You have to remove this earth cable from the plate also, so you're gonna have a more space to do it. It's not difficult. I try to record it and do it, but it's very hard, you know, to hold mobile phone in one hand and do the work on the other one. So it's very hard. Next time I'll do to put a camera on some static place, and then I can try to do it, but still to cover everything is difficult. But if you remember, this screw, this two, and two from there, I'll show you. One this and one there under there, then this plate will come out, and then you just put the belt. So I show you how it will work. One moment. So we put the cassette, then we play, and there is the play button, and then you see it's working. I'll turn the tape this side so you can see also the cassette is moving. Yeah, there we go. Play. Cassette is moving, and then stop, reverse, forward. Well, I bought this belt from the Electro on Dijk. This is an online shop in Netherlands, and they're not very expensive. They have 1 day service. If you order 1 day, the next day they are there in the post at your home. So next day they arrive. Today I replace it. There is one more belt basically, and this has to go here, and it works with the reverse and forward especially, and but reverse and forward belt is working fine, so there is no need to change it. But I was thinking, since I opened the cassette player, maybe I can change it. So this is basically go from this pulley to other. I'm not sure, maybe it's for the counter, because it has electric counter. Maybe it's for the counter, or maybe just because it has 3 motors. Reverse forward is the direct one, so it's for the counter. And you see counter is working, play is working very nicely. So I don't think there is a need to change this belt, but let me think about it. If I change, I'll show you.